Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul from Cheerful Planner Girl. I will have all the information in the description down below with my PR code, which I'm getting ready to show you right now. So this is what you get when you order under my name. This is my freebie, but they will be changing pretty soon, so be looking forward to that. Use Cricket 25 and you will get 25% off. So these are my cuties right here. This is another freebie that I got, and it also has on here that the next planner collaborative sale is August 9th through August 13th, so be looking for that as well. What I ordered, I got these adorable glitter tennis shoes. How cute are those? Very cute, adorable. And then I ordered scheduled, canceled, post office run, and then I ordered, she has some new boxes and glitter headers. And so I ordered these. These are the brown glitter headers. Hopefully the color will show up pretty. Sorry, I'm moving around and it's making my camera go wonky. And then this is the matching full check boxes. Then this is the black. And then the black headers. I love these. I think these are so pretty. And then purple, which I ordered several of those. I got 2 of those. And then the purple headers. And then blue. And then the blue headers. Let me straighten those up a little bit. And then I ordered to-do headers because I never have enough of those, and I like that you can get them in the different colors. So you can, and they're compatible with each other, so a lot of kits you'll be able to mix and match them. Then I ordered the Planner Girl or scripts and deco. Very cute, I love it. Oh, adorable. Proud to be a planner girl, plan with me, buy all things. Very cute. Lovely. Then I ordered the bee kit for the Erin Condren. I love these full boxes, and a lot of times I use these in my B6. And then here, I'm so excited. This is a new kit. It's called Life Will Find a Way. So here are your full boxes. And this is for the Erin Condren. Your sidebar, habit trackers, deco, flags, half boxes, flags here. Then here's the deco add-on. Your bottom glitter washi. Your header glitter washi, your day covers, which I don't know if you can tell, but it's like teeth. It's the open mouth of a dinosaur with teeth. More washi, functionals, Hello Weekend down here. Some bow dividers. And then here's your headers. To do, today, and little things, or today, to do, and little things. Your habit trackers, another checkbox, and look how cute. It's little dinosaurs. How cute is that? And then the quote box is Life Will Find a Way. And then it has To Clean, Dinner, Remember, bow boxes, paper clip, and that is it for this kit. How adorable is that? Be looking for my plan with me because I will be using this. I'm hoping, I'm not sure if I'm even going to get this up before I get my plan with me up, so just so you'll know. And then this, look how adorable, Mary Poppins. It says, in every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Try not to sing while I'm saying it. You got your full boxes, your day covers, half boxes, flags, and then some deco. Okay, everybody, that's what I got in this order. Like I said, be looking for my Plan With Me with this one coming up, the Life Will Find a Way. And go check out Cheerful Planner Girl. Use my code Cricket25 to get your 25% off. She has everything that you need in that shop, from functionals to add-ons for your kits, whatever you may need. So go check her out. Tell her I sent you, and I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Bye-bye.